Hi, Ellie here, and today we are going to compare the new Ooni Koda 2 14-inch pizza oven with the Koda 12 12-inch pizza oven. Let's do it. Just need a quick sip of my frothy coffee. Cheers. What have you got? Can I have the ball? Can I have the ball? You can't have it. We'll go over the differences, the structures, how it cooks. The first notable difference between these ovens is the dial and the placement of the gas dial. The gas dial sits on the side, on the right side of the oven in the Koda 2, whereas on the Koda 12 it's right at the back. And the difference between these two ovens I'll show you here. So the Koda 2 has a battery ignition where you need to press it down like that. It sounds like that. And then the Koda 12 has the back ignition where you turn it like that and it comes on. But the Koda 2's is easier to reach, for me anyway, because of the backboard. It's easier there having it on the side. With the Koda 12, there is no choice of colour. You have the colour that's here, which is fine. But with the Koda 2, you can now choose between the slate blue and I think it's black. So I chose the slate blue because I thought it was a nice new fresh colour for the range. And I really like it, so I'm glad I chose it. The structure of the oven is very similar in size to the Koda 12. I don't think there's much difference in the actual external size of these ovens. I think the Koda 12 is a bit longer, but the Koda 2 is a bit wider. And I've placed the Koda 12 stone in the Koda 2 oven so you can see the difference in the stone. There's about an inch gap between the two ovens in size on the stone. And to note here that the Koda 2 has a tapered stone, so it goes slightly in at the back. It's not a square stone, it's slightly tapered. You aren't able to turn the stone to the front to the back, very much like the Koda 16. And here with the metal peel again, I'm showing that the 12-inch peel, which this is, fits in the Koda like that, and in the Koda 2 it fits with a bit more room. And you can easily fit the Koda's 14-inch peel into this oven as well. The gas flames at the back are very different to the Koda's. There's like a strong two-sided flame system on this oven, whereas on the Koda 12 it's just one flame that goes across the back. But there's a bit more protection at the back from the flame on the Koda 2 compared to the Koda 12. So I've made numerous cooks now with this oven, and as you can see here, I'm finding it really easy to cook pizza in it. The pizza only needs to be turned once, which is super easy. I'm not having any problems with like burning or anything. The only thing that it does do is heat up the stone really well because the stone is thicker. So you'll need to monitor the temperature of the stone after each cook to make sure it doesn't go too high. Even though the Koda 12 has got quite an even temperature on the stone, the Koda 2 has even better even temperatures. The front of the stone has a good high temperature compared to the rest of the stone. So there's a very even temperature all across the stone on this oven, which is a bit different from the Koda 12, which is colder at the front. And I think that's this new gas technology system on the Koda 2, which I don't know anything about, but it creates a good even heat stone. It doesn't cook too low or too high. It cooks in exactly the right place. So it's not burning the top either as it cooks the crust. So it cooks the base, the crust, and the top in the same amount of time without burning one faster than the other or cooking one faster than the other. All three areas are cooked at the same time, which is really easy to use. And I love the way that the crust has got bubbles all the way around, not just at the top, not just at the bottom. It reaches all of the crust area of the pizza, which is exactly what I want when I cook my pizza. Would I recommend buying this oven? If you were upgrading from a Koda 12, yes, I would recommend getting this oven because you're getting a bit more space. You're getting a new technology gas burner at the back, which does make a difference to the temperatures of the stone and the way that it cooks the pizza. And you've also got a choice of colours, which is nice. I also prefer the gas dial being on the side. I'm not fussed about whether it's battery operated or manual. I'm happy with either, but if you like battery operated gas ignitions, then the new machine does have that. If this is a new oven and you're looking at the Koda 12 and you're looking at the Koda 2, I would go for the newer technology with the Koda 2. If you were looking for a Koda 16, check out this video here where I've compared the differences between the Koda 16 and this Koda 2 oven. It's in the description and in the link at the end of the video. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any comments about this oven or any questions, please let me know in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe if you like this video. Bye.